Good afternoon, students. I, Dr. Anjana, starting the e-learning module of Dravyaguna. In today's class, we are going to study a valuable plant which is widely used for women's health. The plant is Ashoka. We will start the lecture with introduction. Ashoka is the most legendary and sacred trees of India. The term Ashoka literally means without sorrow or which is capable of relieving the sorrow of the users. Due to the widespread use of Ashoka, there is scarcity of this plant in its natural habitat. That is why the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, the plant is enlisted in vulnerable species. Nomenclature. The Latin name of this plant is Saraka ashoka and it belongs to Fabaceae. In Hindi it is known as Sita Ashoka and in English known as Ashoka. Vernacular names. This slide shows vernacular names of the plant Ashoka. Synonyms. Synonyms of the plants are very much helpful in the correct identification of the herbs. Some synonyms of Ashoka are Hempushpa. The term Hempushpa is given due to the reddish orange color of the flower. Then Vanjula, because it possesses the guna Shita. The term Tamra Pallav is given because the tender leaves are copper in color. Pinda Pushpa. The term Pinda Pushpa is given because the flowers are born in dense cluster. Gandha Pushpa because the flowers are very much fragrant. Kankeli. The term Kankeli is given because it gives pleasant feeling and has a crimiguna property. The plant of Ashoka is very much useful in gynecological disorders. That's why the term given Stri Priya. Classical categorization. The Charak has included this plant in Vedana Sthapan Mahakashai and Kashai Skandha. The Shishrut has described this plant in Rodradigada. Distribution. Up to an altitude of 750 meters, it is found throughout India, especially in foothills of central and eastern Himalayas, western Ghats, Kerala, Bengal, and whole southern region. It is also cultivated in many gardens because of its decorative orange-red flowers and evergreen beautiful foliage. It has become quite scarce in several areas and nowadays it is reported to be a threatened species. Morphology. It is a small to medium-sized evergreen tree with beautiful fragrant flowers. The barks are dark brown in color and rough with spreading and drooping branches. This is the picture of whole plant Ashoka. Bark. Mainly, the useful part of Ashoka is bark. It is dark brown or grey in color, often marked by bluish and ash-white patches of lichens. Fracture and splitting exposing striated surface, a thin whitish and continuous layer is seen beneath the cork layer. Leaves. Leaves are peripinnate compound, 4 to 6 pairs. It is oblong and lanceolate, glabrous, petiolate, and it is 15 to 39 centimeter long and 3 to 7 centimeter wide. The color of the leaves when it is in tender condition, it is copper red, and when it is become mature, the color of the leaves become green. Flowers. The flowers are bright orange yellow or reddish yellow in color. It is paniculate corymbs, and the flower's origin is axillary. The presence of petals are 4 in number, and the number of sepals are 5 in number, and long stamens are present. Fruits. The type of fruit of Ashoka is pod, and the pods are linear, oblong, flat, glabrous, coriaceous, and veined. The fruits are matures between the month of August to September. Seeds. Seeds are ellipsoid, oblong, slightly compressed, brown in color, smooth, and glabrous. Chemical constituents. Bark contains tannin, catechin, epicatechin, catechol, hematoxylin, glucosides, procyanidin, esters, and primary alcohols. Flowers containing the beta-cetosterol, quercetin, apigenin, gallic acid, and camphorol. The seeds containing oleic acid, linoleic acid, palmitic, and stearic acids. According to Bhavaprakash Nighantu, Ashokah शीतलस्तिक्तो ग्राही वर्णयः कषायकः दोषा अपची त्रिषा दाह कृमि शोष विष आश्रजित. Rasa Panchak. Ashoka contain the rasa Kashaya Tikta. Guna is Laghu Ruksha. Vipak is Katu Vipak. Virya is Shita Virya. On the dosha karma, this is Kapha Pitta Shamak. Karma. The karma of Ashoka are grahi, that means it is helpful in digestion as well as absorption. The rasa tikta is responsible for the digestion karma, and the rasa kashai and virya shit virya is responsible for the absorption. Next is varnya, that means it is helpful in the enhancement of the complexion. Vedanasthapan, that is analgesic. Stambhan is astringent. Artava Sangrahan is that means it is helpful in the menstrual disorder. Rakta Stambhak, Vrana Shodhak, that means it is helpful in wound cleaning. Vrana Ropak, it is act as a wound healer. Sandhanya, it is helpful in the joining of the fractures. Vishagna is antitoxic, and Shothahara is anti-inflammatory. Indication. The plant Ashoka is indicated in Rakta Pradar, that means menorrhagia, Pradar, that is in leukorrhea, the white discharge, in Rakta Vikar, that means in blood disorders, Trishna in thirst, Prameha in diabetes, Garbhashay Gat Vikar, that means in uterine disorder, Vrana, the wound, Daha in burning sensation, Krimi because of the grimigna property it is used in krimi, shosha, inflammation, visha, because of the vishagna property, it is helpful in visha or toxic condition. Asthi bhagna, it is indicated in fracture. Therapeutic uses. The plant Ashoka is used in many classical books of Ayurveda. According to Chakradatt, it is used in Asrigar, that means in menorrhagia, in the form of Sheer Pak. The bark of Ashoka is processed in the milk and it is given in menorrhagia. Again, Chakradatt indicated in the Mutraghat, that is urinary obstruction, in the form of the seed powder with water. Shishrut has given the reference in Vatavyadhi, the neuromuscular diseases. The daily intake of Ashoka Ghrit is prescribed in Vatavyadhi. Ashtang Hriday says that it is given in Kasa, Kapha, in the form of Ghrit, prepared with the Ashoka seeds, Vidanga, Rasanjan and Padmak. Part used. The useful part of this plant is bark, flower and seeds. Doses. In the form of decoction 50 to 100 ml and in churn form 3 to 6 gram. Formulations: Ashoka Risht, Ashoka Ghrit, Hema Pushpa syrup, Pradarari ras, Kashi Sadi tel. These are some formulations which are available in the market. Substitution and adulteration. These are some plants which are used in the place of the bark of Ashoka or as an adulterant in the name of the Ashoka bark in the market. These plants are Kashtdaru, Polyalthia longifolia, Kanchanar, Bauhinia variegata, Shal, Shoria robusta. Thank you.